So let's see the ways of solving a quadratic equation. So quadratic equation has got two roots that we know. So we need to the solving the quadratic equation means deducing or finding the roots of that equation. So there are basically my video is focusing on the three types of methods, the three types of methods through which we can solve a quadratic equation. So solving a quadratic equation. So we have got, or my video has got three ways. So first is the basic, or you can say the factorization. So the first is factorization. Use some more colors for that. The first is factorization. Then my second comes in as completing square method. So the method is known as completing square method. So completing square. So this is factorization method, completing square method. And my third, and it is the it is much difficult, or you can say it as the most steps are required for the formula method. That is the third method that I'm introducing to you. So formula method. So formula method. So the formula method, from the name itself, it tells us that it uses a special type of formula through which we can deduce the root of any quadratic equation. So this formula method is the most effective method. So it is the most effective method, like that. Most effective, the most effective method, as it can work with any quadratic equation. As it can work with any quadratic equation, uh, factorization can also work with any. Actually both of them can work, but they go difficult with some types of quadratic equation, whereas it can work with any. You can say it as it is an universal method for solving quadratic equation. So the factorization you might know, completing square. Also you might know. I don't know about, what you know about completing square and about formula method, but not to worry, because in my future videos I will tell you in brief, by solving an example of a quadratic equation by each method. So I'm stopping this video here only, and in the future videos I will explain in brief, or not brief, I will make a huge video. I will explain in detail about all these three methods that I have introduced in this video. So be sure to watch the next.